With a growing world population, one of the most pressing issues is that of feeding such a large number of people. With more food usage always comes more wastage. 28% of the world's agricultural area is used every year to produce food that is lost or wasted. Food, an essential element of human life. It is also an important part of social events that help bringing people together. Approximately 1.3 billion tons of the food produced in the world for human consumption is wasted every year. This accounts for 1/3 of the total food production. Unfortunately, a large number of produced food end up in garbage. Food losses and waste amounts to roughly $680 billion in industrialized countries and $310 billion in developing countries. In addition to the vast economic damage caused by food waste, it also impacts the environment and the climate. Many of people tend to care less about the consequences of throwing excess food as they think food waste can be composted and returned to the environment with no harm. Not knowing that food waste accounts for 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Food waste is undoubtedly a serious global problem. This is where our prototype, the Sustainer machine, comes handy. The Sustainer is a low-cost to run, easy to manage, convenient, relatively small and smart digester machine that can turn food waste into money. Food waste is a major hustle. This machine has your back, it can be installed in every household, and it makes dealing with messy food waste easy. This is how the machine operates. Food waste is inserted into the machine through a sealed door that also acts like a storage when the machine is running. The waste is fed into an airtight chamber where it is shredded into small pieces by a conveyor blade. As the organic matters break down, biogas consisting of methane and other constituents like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide is released into the gas tank above the main chamber. The gas tank is equipped with sensors that signal impeller to suck the gas into the first filter to strip hydrogen sulfide. This filter is made of steel wool and salt, both can be found easily for cheap. After that, comes the separation of carbon dioxide by bubbling the gas through water filter. The remaining gas is mostly methane that can be collected and sold in the market. The gas pipe is equipped by a special sensors that detect leakage and lock the pipes automatically for safety purposes. The methane is a secondary product of the Sustainer. The primary product of the machine is the fertilizer produced in the waste chamber. The humidity sensor in the food waste chamber signals a sealed door at the bottom of the chamber to open up, allowing the processed food waste to enter the drawer beneath it. 3 pounds of organic fertilizer can cost well above $12 in the market. This can be a good source of income depending on the amounts of food waste in houses.